Alrighty, Mark, here's your 427 small block Ford, new frictionless combination, got a $7 CNC heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller, got the Victor Junior manifold, 6-wheel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, got the CBF front end on it, just everything functions. Rear sump oil pan, Eagle cranking rods, custom DSS Pistons. Order to make a run, see what she does, stay tuned. Okey-doke, 3,500, 489 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 559, peak horsepower 566, rated 575. This front end is about 15 or 20, so everything's good. And now pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things. See your engine, find the single insert credit card, USB card, full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine numbers, motor specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. Take some more tech stuff. Have a great day.